Alright, we're gonna go, I guess, over there. It is flow. That's it, you know it is. Alright. Where the snake is. Yeah, I can do this. Just that the rocks just sometimes move on you. It's like playing hopscotch. You just gotta kind of pick your path and go with it. Ooh, every catfish got stuck up in there. The big boys. Recent. Crazy. Alright. Ooh, that stink. Alright, straight path, come on. Back's the fun part. I only get to do this like once a year. Woo! Balance, balance, balance. That's why you just gotta kind of go with it. Got it. This is where I want it to be.